Today we're doing a Victoria's Secret bombshell makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this makeup, this hair, everything, keep on watching because I'm going to go step by step and I'm going to show you the product that I use.
Roll tape. What is Victoria's Secret? 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, let's start off. So first I used a Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer. I'm going to be using a pore filler primer. The foundations I'm going to be using are oil based. They have a little bit of that glow to them, a little bit of the shimmer. I'm using Estee Lauder foundation, double wear, and I'm wearing Makeup by Mario. And I just kind of like mix this on my skin. I feel like the Makeup by Mario can get a little oily, but the coverage and the actual finish of the foundation is so beautiful and it looks great on camera and in person. I'm going to be using this Cover FX highlighter right underneath my eye. Super glowy from within. A lot of Victoria's Secret models use this trick. If you have normal to dry skin, I definitely recommend using these glow drops from Cover FX. They blend out really well. And any texture that comes up from this, we're going to conceal it so no one will know. As you guys know, I love to use a foundation to do my contour because I'm not the best blender in the world. And I just find that blending with a foundation is so easy, so practical. It already has like an easy formula to blend with. And this is in the color Latte Latte, the number 358. If you have a nose like me, I like to go underneath and then just kind of go on the sides and then block it off. And that way, if you part it in multiple different angles, it shortens the nose. Then we're gonna go in with a sharp brush. So I like to go right here. I think this is a big placement where we forget to put the foundation. Naturally, we have a lot of beautiful shadows in our face, and foundation unfortunately takes away all the beautiful shadows that we have on our face. I feel like I should be doing this with my with the pink robe. Should I do the pink robe? I'm using a Kevyn Aucoin concealer. I love a heavy concealer, and then just a little contour inwards. So this is my concealer to cover up all my dark circles. It does an amazing job. And I like to use a brightener over it. Something that is just going to illuminate my makeup. Really give that drama. Gonna blend out my lips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. This brush is so good, and it's really inexpensive. It's from Essence. So this is the brightening concealer that I love doing that. This is how I apply my concealer. Do you see that angle? I'll do a lip liner. This one's from Charlotte Tilbury. This Charlotte Tilbury liner is called Hot Gossip. This is like what the contour looks like. It's like right underneath the nose, like so. It's like a 3D contour. It's not just straight. I'm going with the angles of the face because if you just contour 2D, your face is going to look 2D, and when you turn, the contour should turn with you. So we're going to go in and I'm going to do stippling motions, and that looks so beautiful. We haven't even used any powders yet. Like, usually all the fun happens when the powders hit the face. Oh, this is a contouring powder. I'm putting it in all the places that I would like shadow. Remember to contour with a smaller brush to be more focused on your contour placement. And we're basically outlining the skull right now. With the leftover product on your brush, I'm just gonna go in and do the top of the nose. I love using Huda Beauty. I've bought Huda Beauty's powder time after time and time again. I like to use the color Cupcake. While that is baking, I'm going to grab our bronzer, warming up the face. Now let's do a little bit of face powder. Blush. This is one of my favorite blushes. It's a very like coral red, a coral orange. Remember to clean up your lipstick. But we're basically almost done. I like to use a felt tip pen to do the corners of my eyebrows. I'm gonna grab a cream colored eyeliner and mix it with a white eyeliner. Makes me look so awake. And I'm gonna do a dot on this on my nose. Ta-da! Like, this is literally the makeup I'm gonna do on my birthday. So I hope you guys love it. And after this, in the next video, you guys, I'm gonna do a how I got the Victoria's Secret partnership and ways that you can get the Victoria's Secret if you want to be a VS partner as well, how to go about that. So that will be my next video if you're interested in watching. And just know everything I used today, I will be linking it down below, as well as the hair curlers. And if I find hair curlers that I think are less damaging for your hair, I will link those instead of these, because I think these are just like the old school ones. But the thing about the old school curlers is that they kind of create, I feel like, damage in your hair. Like, this cannot be like healthy. I mean, it looks gorgeous, but that cannot be, like, velcroing your hair does not sound like it's healthy for your hair. I hope you love the makeup tutorial. The face is everything, the hair is everything. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys look stunning. I also want to mention that the lashes that I am wearing are from Kiss Lashes. They come in a pack of, I think, 5, and I cut them and I use the inner corner of the lash and I put it on the outer corner of my lash. See you next time. Thanks for watching.